CBFI's high-end automatic edible ice production line. The ice plant complies with HACCP standards and has a daily production capacity of up to 30 tons of high-end edible ice. The production line comprises a purified water room, an ice-making room, an ice processing room, and an ice storage room. The factory's overall design adheres to the LCCP design concept. Purified water, treated by a nano-level water purification system, is delivered to the CBFI transparent direct cooling block ice machine for production of ice. CBFI's self-developed transparent direct cooling block ice machine utilizes natural refrigerants and an automatic control system to freeze water directly into transparent, clean, and hygienic block ice. This device is the core component for producing transparent ice blocks. It utilizes a screw lift mechanism to automatically raise and lower the ice tray. After the transparent ice blocks are produced, they are temporarily stored in a low-temperature cold storage. The transparent ice is processed into embryo ice using a leveling machine. The embryo ice then enters the deep processing room to be transformed into sphere ice and shaking ice. The sphere ice and shaking ice produced by CBFI's transparent ice production line have high transparency and excellent resistance to melting. After being packaged as finished products, they are stored in cold storage for sale.